going on, future entrepreneurs? I'm back with another Crypto HYIP video. Today we're going to be talking about a clone of the COTPS system, a clone, a fork, a duplicate, whichever one you want to call it. It's kind of made like COTPS and operate like COTPS. Before we get into the clone, fork, or whatever you want to call it, duplicate of COTPS, go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment down below whether you like the video, whether you don't like the video, what you don't like, if you can't hear me. If you can't hear me, anything you need to critique me about, I'm open to critique. Comment down below in the comment section and let me know what you are thinking. Also, as you see on the screen, there's a disclaimer. You can pause the video, you can read it. I would advise you to read it from the top to the bottom because I am not your financial advisor. I'm not here to give you financial help. Even though some things I may say may be leaning toward that direction, I'm not here to give you guys the financial advice because one, I don't know your financial situation. Two, I don't know how much capital you have to invest. Three, I don't know if you've been burned by these places or not. It's quite a few things that go into it. So I'm not your financial advisor. Please seek a CPA or a professional financial advisor for your particular situation. Don't put any money in any of these particular platforms that you cannot afford to lose. If you put it in and the platform disappears, don't put in so much that if your money disappears from that site, that you're going to leave yourself in a stressful situation, that you're going to leave yourself not being able to pay your bills. Don't get loans. Don't use credit cards. Don't use any of those things to get involved in any of these platforms. Let's get into it. So today, we're talking about it's a site called bn/trust.com. And it kind of looked like COTP. They kind of made like COTP. It's kind of like a clone of COTP, but it's not exactly like COTP. It's kind of made in that image of COTP or COTPS, whichever one you want to call it. And I did create a free account. I didn't put any money in it. And I also, like all of my videos, I'll leave a link down in the description. I haven't really made up my mind whether I'm not going to put anything into it or not. If I do, I'll probably end up throwing like $50 in it if I do decide to. But right now, I'm not. But if you still want to join, there's going to be a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Let's go ahead and check it out. Check it out. Let me do something else before I do that. Before we go ahead and do that, let me see if I can find out a little bit more about this on the home page. Let me see if is there anything on the home page. I don't even see a home page here. So let me see if I can find it. Let me just type in. Now it's saying 3/BN Trust, and I'm trying to go to the home page, and it's not taking me to. I guess this is a home page. So let's go ahead and sign in since I already created an account, so we can see what it's like on the inside. I'm not really seeing where it shows you're gonna get 6% a day unless I missed that page because I already signed up. I'm not seeing what you're going to earn per day. Let's see. Let's go to. Let's check help out. Let's check out help. So that pretty much just says, get this out of the way again. Digital currency, why use USDT, and what is OTC? Over the counter, Okay, let's go back. Services. And also, as you see on that home page, you can see those scrolling numbers with the usernames of people who have made deposits and made withdrawals. That's how that's going to go. So it looks like this is just going to be customer service. It says online service, but it's customer service, and I have someone here. So let's ask them a quick question. What am I going to ask? Them? Are you paying 3% a day? Or I'm just asking, are you paying 3% a day? And I'm going to see how long it takes to respond. I'm going to try to see if I can leave that open and open up another browser so that doesn't get closed. So let me just copy this and open it in another browser so I don't close that. So if they do respond while I'm here, you'll be able to see that they did respond. So let's go to invite. I'm pretty sure that's just about the referral system. This is the about us. So I really don't see anywhere that's showing how much you're getting paid. All the way at the bottom of the page. Let's go to trade. Nothing here, so I didn't add anything. Let's see. Okay, invest. So I'm showing this. So this is something that was on COTP that I was about to talk to before they went down. They did have another part of it where you can add similar thing just like this, where you can take your extra capital that you had that was left over after the transactions, or before, when it was, while it was in transactions, if you had a little bit, you can put it in here and earn in it and lock it in for a little bit more at a time. Like if you want to lock it in for 0.15% for a day, you can do that. These are like just other avenues. So it sounds like we got something going on over there. The daily profit is about 5 to 6% a day. So we did get a response in about a minute, which is pretty good. So let me see. Let me see. There's another question I want to ask them while I have someone that's answering my questions. I'm just gonna ask them, what is your company long-term strategy to stay around longer than a month? And I'm just typing this to see if this is somebody else that is, if this is a human that's responding, or if this is one of these things where it's set up where it's automated, where if you just send them the message, it's going to automatically respond. So let's see how that goes. Okay, details, don't have anything of that. So let's go to user. So as you can see, the interface is kind of set up like COT, but the colors are different. The some of the way it's, the UI is kind of different. It's also set up like COTP in the form that it looks like it's more for a mobile device than a desktop or even a tablet, which I didn't like about COTP. Was when you look at it, it's kind of set up for, like it's made for a mobile phone. That's what it kind of looks like. So your team, no one's on my team. Invite friends, office service, wallet binding. I guess this is where you add your wallet information. Withdrawal address, captcha, blah blah blah. Setup. So they have videos on how to set up, or this is just modify login, change payment password, and that looks like that's it. Top off, I'm pretty sure that means just add, withdraw, transfer. So I'm assuming the transfer is if you want to send it to another account. Now I don't know, since there's no questions here, if you're allowed to use multiple accounts, if you can open up 2 accounts in COTP. I had 2 accounts because some people were using them as test accounts and were using them to get their bots created by the IT person. So I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that, since they don't have any questions here, no FAQ that I was able to find. So let's see if they answer the second question. That may take a little bit long, but that's it. That's all, guys. This is a site that looks like the COTP. It's kind of working like it. It looks a little bit different here, and right here is showing that it's just showing supposedly the withdrawals. Now let's see if I can click on these or make it go up and down a little faster. Someone said on the other one that they pretty much were just they pretty much just scrolling up and down was a repeat. It was on a repeat. Is what it seemed like it was on. It was just all these was on a repeat. It was the same username, it was the same amount. So let's see. It sounds like someone answered the question. BN platform is currently in the global promotion stage. We will exist in the market for more than 3 years. Because the goal of our platform is to develop on a global scale and become the global leader in AI intelligent trading. That's what they're saying, but I don't know. I mean, if they just launched and it looks like another site that just went down, only time will tell, like all these other sites. Will they'll be up another week? Will it be up another month? Will they be up longer than that? As we said, only time will tell with these sites. If it lasts as long as COTP did, that's a plus. That should give you enough time to get your money out, plus a little bit more. And as I said, I haven't made my mind up on whether I'm going to join or not. I may join, I may not, depending on how much extra capital I have coming up in the next couple of days. That's it. That's all, guys. If you have any questions about this new site, if you have any other sites you want me to check out, if it's something that you want me to improve on, or something that I'm doing, or something you need me to check out, just comment down below, or even check in the description where I do leave my name, I do leave my email address, and there's also a contact number, which is a Google Voice number. So it's not my direct number. It's not a number where you can call. Pretty much text only. That's it. That's all, guys. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you very, very much. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you can boost my channel to get out to more people. And I'll also be creating other kind of videos as well coming up here in the near future. This is the Passive Income Trucker. Thanking all of my subscribers so far. I'm almost at 1,000 subs. I appreciate all of you guys who's already subscribed. I appreciate you guys for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get there for the end of the month, but it looks like I should be there before the end of this month. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.